Okay guys, so this is our second video for the week, and this is looking at subtracted negative numbers. So if you remember in the last one, we spoke about when we had an add and a take away right beside each other in a sum, okay, with no numbers in between them, that became a takeaway. The rule we're going to look at in this one is when we've got two takeaways right beside each other in a sum without any numbers between them, that's going to become a plus. So two negatives make a positive is what people sometimes say. You might hear people saying that. Okay, we're going to do this exact same as we did in the last video. So I'll go through 1 to 10. I'll then pause the recording, you pause the video, and I'll write up the answers for 11 to 20, and then we'll have a look at the section B, which remember is the trickier work. And this should let you do the final 4 worksheets for the week, as well as then you've got your homework sheet on top of that. Okay, right, so question 1, 3 take away negative 4. Now, what we've just discussed is these two negatives right beside each other, because there's no number between them, they're going to turn into a plus. So this just becomes 3 plus 4, and we're probably not going to need our number line for that. That's going to give us 7. Okay, now in the next one, in question 2, there aren't two negatives right beside each other. There's a number between them. So all we're going to do is drop the brackets. So we've got minus 2 take away 3. Now remember we said before, this way is take away and this way is add. So we're starting at minus 2, we're taking away 3, and so we get minus 5. Okay. Question 3, 4 take away negative 5. Again, we've got two negatives right beside each other, so they become a plus. So this becomes 4 plus 5. Oh, I've changed colour there, apologies, which is 9. Okay, then the next one, not got two negatives beside each other again, but we do have 2 take away 8. So if we're starting at 2, we're taking away 1, 2, takes us to 0 obviously, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, we get minus 6. Okay, now you might spot quicker ways of doing this eventually rather than using the number line, and that's good, that's what we want to get to. Okay. Right, question 5. Again, there's not two negatives beside each other. This is just minus 1 take away 5. So we start at minus 1 and we take away 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We get negative 6. Okay. Same with the next one. There's not two negatives right beside each other. There's a 3 between those two negative signs. So we can just drop the brackets. This is minus 3 take away 4. Which is going to give us minus 7. Let's look at why. We start at negative 3, take away 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, we get negative 7. These next one though, here we do have again those two negative signs right beside each other. So 4 take away negative 6 is going to become 4 plus 6. And again, probably don't need our number line to do that. 4 plus 6 is 10. Okay, next one is just minus 7 take away 3. We don't have two negatives beside each other. Maybe want to use our number line for this though. We're starting at negative 7. Okay, we're taking away 3. 1, 2, 3, so we get negative 10. Okay, last two on this side. Now, lots of negative signs here, but the most important ones are these two right beside each other. So our first numbers are negative 4. Those two negatives I've highlighted in yellow then become a plus, and we've got the number 4. So minus 4, add 4. Start at negative 4. This time we're adding, so we're going to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4.